Welcome to this PV Manager tutorial. In this video I will show you different ways how you can create a building. In the topic planning, you can select the way you want to create a building. First, we have the quick layout roof, the rectangular building, or a polygon flat roof. In the quick layout, first you can select the type of roof. After that, you can choose your parameters from the building, like the length, the width, and the height. You can also type in the inclination. The position shows where the building should be placed in the free area. After you click OK, your building will be placed in the area. For the rectangular building, you click one time on the rectangular building, hold the mouse, and place the building in the area. After that, you can select the parameters in the right menu, like the width, the length, and also the building height. After that, you select the roof shape, and then you can choose all the other parameters from the building. For the polygon flat roof, you click in the area one time, the next time for a roof edge, and one time for every other roof edge. If you want to close the building, you click on the right mouse and click on Finish the polygonal building. After that, you have created a south-facing roof. In the right menu, you can also select the parameters from the building. Here you can also select the corner points or the edge degrees. Also, the roof covering has 3 different options like bitumen, foil roof, and concrete. If you turn your roof, for example here, we have now a west-facing roof. If we turn it a bit more, now we have a north-facing roof.